I've no doubt about it, Bristol's entertainment scene is one of the best in the southwest. Colston Hall's past performers are a who's who of era-defining musicians. The Beatles, Jimi Hendrix, Bob Dylan, the Rolling Stones, David Bowie, Queen, they are the reason why it's nicknamed Bristol's home of music. Around the corner from Colston Hall is Bristol's O2 Academy. It's hosted the likes of Kendrick Lamar, Arcade Fire and the Gorillaz. And the Anson Rooms is another one of the city's major gig venues. The Fleece is smaller but still puts on some great gigs. Pulp, Oasis and Nirvana, they all played there. It used to have its own brewery too. Nowadays it goes head to head with Thekla for upcoming bands. As you can see, Thekla's key selling point is that it's a ship. It used to be a cargo ship but became a showboat and then an underground nightclub. If you're into classical jazz, blues or world music, then St George Bristol is one of the world-renowned music venue for your taste. In terms of theatre, Bristol Hippodrome is one of the best provincial theatres in the UK. It's been nicknamed Bristol's West End Theatre because it stages major productions from the West End and Broadway, including Cats and Phantom of the Opera. The Victorian Amphitheater is a lavish setting from its top programme of drama, musicals, ballet, opera, concerts, comedians and children's shows. I'll round things up with the quickest of mentions for Smoke and Mirrors. If you like magic and/or comedy, make sure you hunt it down, it's behind the Hippodrome.